Hey guys, so I wanted to finish up that problem we were working on in class. So I'm gonna do synthetic division, trying out 5/3. So bring down the 3 here, multiply it by 5/3. The denominator cancels out with this 3, so I end up with just 5. So add that up, that's gonna give me 3, not 2. And then the 3's cancel out with the denominator there, so I'm gonna end up with 5 again. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. The 3's cancel out again, so I'm gonna end up with negative 5. And now I add these up and I get 0. So now we know that 5/3 is a 0. So what I've got to do now is take whatever's left over, just like we've been doing, and see if I can factor this out. So I get 3x squared plus 3x minus 3. So we go ahead and we look at this. Okay, can I factor this? So I try x box. Does anything multiply to -9 and add up to 3? No, I don't see anything. So then we've got to do something else. We're going to do the quadratic formula. So negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So take that guy and let's go ahead and work this out. So I get x equals negative 3 plus or minus, let's see, this is 12 times negative 3 is 36. The negatives cancel out to give me positive 36. So together I get square root of 45 all over 6. Let's take the square root of 45 and let's break that up. So that's going to give me 5 times 9. I see that I got a pair of 3's here, so I've got x equals negative 3 plus or minus 3 radical 5 all over 6. So divide everything, so I get negative 1 plus or minus 1 radical 5 all over 2, and that is part of my solution. So I've got 2 solutions here from the quadratic, and I've got 1 solution, I've got 1 0 from this 5/3. So altogether, that gives me my 3 answers, which is what I should have because this was originally a power of 3. This was x to the 3rd power. All right, so that's what you guys want to do for homework. Use the rational root 0 to figure out a 0, and if that doesn't work, then keep trying them. Once you find one that works, see if you can factor it. If it doesn't factor, then you got to keep on trying the rational roots, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow.